What's interesting about this boat, it doesn't have sails, doesn't have a rudder, it's not shaped so it will cut through the water, it has no helm for a captain. Why? Because God is the captain of this boat. Noah and his little crew with the animals, they're just going to rest on the inside of this ark and it's just going to float. Noah has to trust everybody inside. Noah's not going to have a steering wheel. There's no steering wheel to grab, right? You want to grab the steering wheel? We all want to grab it. There's no steering wheel to grab. You just have to trust in God in this boat. And that's the plan. And what does Noah do? Noah did everything just as God commanded him. That's faith.